Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert media on Blackview A80s. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar and search up image converter. Now install this one. Okay, now we can open the app. Close it, and now choose your required format, let's say PDF, allow. Now tap on add image, import from gallery, and I'll add this one, tap on done. Now if you would like to, you can also compress it, but I'm not going to do that. Then just tap on done, save, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.